Hello and welcome to Starting Points, where one thing leads to another. Thinking about Vincent van Gogh, these graphite sketches he did of men and women working the land, made me think about the relationship that man has to the oceans. Color. This is sort of black and white too. This is David Blackwood, master printmaker, Newfoundland. And the people there have a very close bond with the ocean life. It's been their source of food and income. And just like for people living in an agricultural area, like Van Gogh was referring to in his paintings, is drawn to those people, drawn to those people who had this connection. Well, in this video I want to look at the sea and into a larger context, even water. But the sea makes up 71% of the Earth's surface. Leaves 29% for land. And the oceans contain 97% of the water on the earth. Because, so this is a book. I want to show you books for different ages. This, I think, is great for 10-year-olds. The Sea, it's for young readers, the adaptation that Time Life made to make what they'd done for adults in a format that younger people could appreciate. This is called Trails Across the Sea, and shows all the different, there's 30 different currents that have been given names that happen, and you'll see there's Newfoundland, there's certain currents that shift up and move across, and they're not particularly noticeable that's going on, but it certainly can assist ships that are traveling on it. This particular, there's a famous chart of the Gulf Stream current back in the time of Ben Franklin. So rivers within the ocean is a subtitle there, but this has South Pacific. It has charts for the North Pacific, South Atlantic, North Atlantic. Got the North Pole, the South Pole without the ice, and shows some amazing trenches. And this is a deep trough, 2,263 mile long trough that slices through from the Wendell Sea to the Ross Seas, and of course covered with ice, so we don't see them. But fish, well, we don't see all these fish that are there either. They're there, and some we may never ever see. Here's again. So this is for tens and ups. The food chain from plant plankton to animal plankton to herrings to cod to the mackerel, shark. Who eats who? I just found this a, a great introduction to many topics about the oceans, both of these. Now, that series that I've told you about before that I really like, The Wild Wild World of, in this case of animals, aquatic miniatures, put out by Time Life Television. And the visuals in here of life forms that live in the ocean is astounding. And it has, like all their books, a nice, an attempt to balance not only the scientific, but maybe with an excerpt from a novel or a personal adventure or poems, get spaced in there as well. Gives yeah, I find them just a wonderful series. This is fish, and not just of the ocean though, of lakes, rivers, and oceans. Now, talked about miniatures. There are some pretty big creatures that survive in the ocean. In fact, some of them, probably the size of them, there'd be no way that 4 legs could hold them up. It'd be just too. I mean, the elephant is pushing things, but the elephant is as big as a land mammal. But some of the mammals in the ocean. This is for 6-year-olds. Big Al. There's nothing miniature about Big Al, but he's very friendly. And he's helpful, and the story is a positive story. Andrew Clements Yoshi, Scholastic Books, put it out. So, well, thanks for joining me. Until next time, bye for now.